Alright, I think this playfield is ready to be removed. Oh, one-man show. That should do for right now. Oh man, for now. That's just temporary. Alright. So now, I have total access. You know, that's the first time I've ever removed the playfield from this game, and I've had it probably the longest that I've had any of my machines. And I'm seeing loose hardware, which is making me a little nervous here. I'll have to figure out where this stuff goes eventually. Alright. I now have, well, almost complete access to this. And now we need to remove the flipper buttons, which wouldn't be such a big deal if I didn't have these damn flipper button LED assemblies in the way. So now that they're out of the way. Alright, so now that my flipper button has been removed, it's time for me to remove this double nutted bolt with the grounding strap in it. And then we'll be one step closer to prying this son of a bitch off. That should just push out. Flipper button removed. Bolt removed. Phillips removed. The only thing I've got left is the double-sided tape that is up underneath this thing. Honestly, it doesn't feel that bad. I don't want to apply uneven leverage. Don't know who you are. Don't care. Sweet. So this side came off pretty easy. So if you want to do the method I just did, that is like a 20-piece pack of putty spreaders. Got that from Harbor Freight. I'm going to get off this excess double-sided tape. I don't need it entirely stripped and cleaned off because they're going to have to get it all sandblasted and everything for the powder coating anyways. So I'm not too concerned about getting it completely clean. Alright, let's get this Phillips screw off. Just like the other side, let's get a feel of things. I'll tell you right now, this one feels like it is on there very good. So I'm probably going to end up using a lot more of these. Woo! This one's definitely on there lot better than the other side. Oh man. The way I see it is if these things fall out, then they have served their purpose. It's being really difficult on my hands. Son of a bitch. Alright, let's bust out the heat gun. There we go. Straight as a board. Whew. Now you can see that took a little more finagling and a little more effort to get that shit off. So when you're deciding on how you're going to do the powder coating, and when I say how, I mean what all on this cabinet are you going to be doing? Now, everyone has their personal opinions on this, but something I think that helps make a machine stand out is a little bit of contrast. So, for instance, I've done just little bitty highlights right here, just with the bolts, the bolt heads. Done them inside the gun. And I've done just the coin slots and coin slot returns. Now, I'm not going to do the entire coin door for this game. Now, certain machines can get away with that. This one, I'm not going to do it. But I will be doing the border of the coin door. I'm going to do that with the yellow, and I'll probably have black bolts for the coin door. I have a photoshopped version of this and how it's going to look like to give me a better idea. Now, something that I want people to understand, and that is, if you're going to be doing your side rails, you need to be doing the hinge that goes to your back box. This hinge is going to be right there next to your side rails. So why not have them the same color as your side rails? I mean, it's your machines, you can do whatever the hell you want. But if you want it to look aesthetically more pleasing, then I highly recommend that you do the hinges for your cabinet. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to be going over some of the footage. I've got some... Now, some people also even do all kinds of extra stuff inside their cabinets, whether it be their lockdown bar, you know, things with their transformer, little bitty rinky-dink stuff that, you know, no one ever's ever going to see unless they show it off. And like, we're talking like even the metal portion for your knockers and all your coils and stuff like that. You know, you can do that. You can go the extra mile. More power to you. I don't think I'm going to be doing all that, though. For this machine, I'm going to be doing just the exterior, so I'm going to be doing side rails, the... why am I drawing a blank? The hinge, Jesus, the hinges for my back box, and the coin door perimeter, and I might do my lockdown bar. I'm going to have to go to the drawing board on Photoshop to get a better idea on what I'm going to do with this. Okay, so all items have been removed that I'm going to be doing a powder coat on. Now, not me personally, I'm going to be taking it to an individual that I know that will be able to get this pulled off. So, let's go over the items that will be getting powder coated. Got everything stuffed in here, but here is the gun portion that's going to be mounted to the cabinet. We're just going to get basically what currently is coated, done in yellow. I'm going to be getting the buck wire form, and the portion that connects to that. There is some damage on here. Can't see it too well, but damage on there as well. That's only actually about 4 years of wear, so every 4 years might have to get that redone. That's essentially where the ball is landing repeatedly over and over again. So we're getting the hinges done to the back box, getting the middle of the coin door redone in black, the perimeter of the coin door done in yellow, my side rails done in yellow, the shielding for the back box behind the boards is going to be done yellow, and the lockdown bar, locking mechanism underneath your lockdown bar is going to be done in yellow as well. That's something that's only going to be able to be seen once you take everything off, but it's a nice little extra touch. So the lockdown bar I've already got done. This is actually just a rattle can done. This is just to give him a good visual of the color that I'm going for. So this is all going to have to be sandblasted and everything anyways, so it's not going to be a big deal. But yeah, so off to the powder coater we go.